Welcome back to Auto Adventure. Today we're diving into the bold and luxurious 2026 Volkswagen Talagon, the giant SUV that's turning heads with its massive presence, premium comfort and futuristic technology. Volkswagen has taken everything families love about large SUVs and pushed it to the next level with a design that looks powerful from every angle. The front end features a huge illuminated grille, sleek LED headlights, sporty air intakes and sharp body lines that give the Talagon a modern and aggressive personality on the road. Step inside and the 2026 Talagon feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. The cabin is incredibly spacious with 3 rows of seating, premium leather materials, ambient lighting and a massive panoramic sunroof that makes every drive feel open and relaxing. The digital cockpit is loaded with the latest technology, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto voice controls and a premium sound system that transforms every trip into a first-class experience. Under the hood, Volkswagen is expected to offer powerful turbocharged engine options with improved fuel efficiency and smooth performance. Whether you're driving through the city or heading out on a long highway journey, the Talagon delivers a quiet ride, confident acceleration and impressive stability. The advanced all-wheel drive system gives extra confidence in rough weather and challenging roads, while the refined suspension keeps passengers comfortable even on longer adventures. Safety is another major highlight of the 2026 Volkswagen Talagon. It comes packed with intelligent driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera system. Volkswagen designed this SUV to keep both drivers and passengers protected while making everyday driving easier and more relaxing. What truly makes the Talagon stand out is its balance between luxury, practicality and bold styling. It's built for big families, road trip lovers and drivers who want the commanding presence of a full-size SUV without sacrificing comfort or technology. From its futuristic interior to its powerful road presence, the 2026 Volkswagen Talagon proves that Volkswagen is ready to compete with the biggest names in the premium SUV market. Thanks for watching Auto Adventure. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Volkswagen Talagon, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car reviews, concept reveals and future automotive adventures.